Welcome to Exhort Solutions. In this video tutorial, we will see the stage to download and install Xcode for Mac users. So now let's get started. First of all, open the App Store. Then after opening the App Store, type in the search box Xcode. Then download the Xcode, and then after downloading the Xcode, open the Xcode app. Then after opening the Xcode app, you will see this type of format on the screen. After that, you have to create a new Xcode project. After clicking on new Xcode project, you have to select command line tool and then click on next. Then here you have to give your product name. Suppose for example we give here as a Exhort Solutions. Here you can give anything you want. Then select the language, that is we have C, C++, Objective-C and Swift. Currently we are working on C language, so we will select the C. Then click on next. After clicking the next, it will ask you to where to store the documents, that is it will store a .c extension file. So select that file. As I am selecting the documents folder, then I will click on create. Then after clicking on create, you will see this type of screen. So after this, go to this main.c file. This is your main file, that is .c extension file. Everything coded is given in this file. Then after coming to this main.c file, you will see this C program. Currently don't worry about this program, we will explain each and everything in detail. Now here we have successfully downloaded and installed Xcode. So thank you friends.